I'd like to introduce you to Times Academy. This is our campus. We are right in the centre of Sydney. We provide programs in English, early childhood education, and leadership and management. We provide a range of English language programs for a variety of purposes. We have popular courses, like General English, and more specialised ones, like high school preparation.
At Times Academy, we push the students, but we also work with them so that they can achieve the goals that they want.
My future high school is St. Andrew's College. I really want to go to this school, so Times Academy helped me get ready of St. Andrew's College.
Classes are dynamic and stimulating. Students have many opportunities to talk to one another, make friends, and experience everything that Sydney has to offer.
Some students don't just want to see the marks. They want to be able to go out and ask that person in the coffee shop, can I have a coffee please? When we take them out on excursions, we watch them interact with different people outside the school, and that's how we measure success.
Our teachers are professional, patient, and supportive.
One thing that I would like to tell students that would like to come to Times Academy is your teachers are here to help you. So I know each of my students by name. We're like friends in class.
The most important thing to remember is that everybody learns differently.
They want their students to succeed and to have fun along the way. You'll find that your English improves steadily over time, and your assessment results will give you the confidence of knowing that your English is improving.
I improved my writing skills, my learning skills, my reading skills. It's so good.
Our stimulating education and training programs deliver job-ready, industry-specific qualifications that are practical and incorporate up-to-date theories. Each syllabus has been designed by industry professionals that focus on developing the skills and abilities you need to get ahead and to take on the workplace.
Since I started to come here, I feel more confident when I'm with other Australians.
The best thing of Times Academy is my teachers. They bring me a lot of options for every class for improve my English.
Studying a vocational course at Times Academy gives you the assurance of attaining a portable, internationally recognised qualification that you can use all over the world.
When I'm teaching, I get a lot of satisfaction from my students. I see how enthusiastic they are at the beginning. At the end of it, they're coming out as different students, they're confident, and they're ready to go into the workforce.
I chose Times Academy because they have a lot of work placement where I can start applying everything what I've been learning in classes and having a lot of experience.
Australia is one of the countries where international students can work while they study. This means that you can gain practical industry experience and real-world competence.
We're so excited to show you around and tell you all about our programs, which are going to help you achieve your goals both in English and the Australian Qualifications Framework. So have a look around, and we hope to see you here in Australia.
At Times Academy, it is our mission to help you reach your goals and be who you want to be. Come and study with us.